Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to remove and replace exhaust camshaft position sensor on BMW X1 guys. So if you have a BMW X1 with 6-cylinder engine, the video will be very helpful. It may be actually helpful even if you have a 4-cylinder engine to locate where your camshaft position sensor is located on the exhaust side. So make sure you stay with us until the end guys, and we're going to discuss all that. Now, before we start, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, and we share the links to all the tools and parts in the description of the video below. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. We'll demonstrate on N52 engine, which is a 6-cylinder engine, but even if you have an N53, N54 or N55 engine, the procedure will be very similar guys. That engine can be found in BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, X1, X3 and even X5 BMW. It's one of the most popular engines. So with the front end of the car removed, we can show you all that. Otherwise it's impossible guys. Practically you don't need to take anything else apart. You can replace the sensor only, but we'll show you guys where it's located, and it's a little bit of an inconvenient place. So let me show you what we'll be doing here. This is the 6-cylinder engine, as I said. Now if you come facing the engine, now if you guys don't have the front end taken apart and you still have the radiator fan, and when you replace electrical connector, it's recommended to disconnect your car battery guys. And disconnecting the car battery, it really matters which terminal to disconnect first, positive or negative. If you want to see a video about that explains how to do that, because otherwise you can cause damage to your engine, computer, electrical system. We'll have the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Now you want to disconnect the car battery because it will be close to the radiator fan and you don't want that fan to turn on and cut your fingers off. What else guys? If you come right here on the front of the engine, you will notice that you have two camshaft position sensors. One on the intake side, one on the exhaust side. That's the one that we need. And you can see the amount of oil leaks that we have here, it's enormous. Okay, and we're leaking from here as well. We have videos on the channel how to fix oil leaks, so definitely guys subscribe. Okay, all that is coming soon, so we can show you guys how to take care of your vehicle. So how you guys remove that sensor? Okay, let us show you now. I'm going to get the tool that we need. Okay, this is a reverse torque socket. You come from right here and there is one bolt that you need to get loose. Okay, I'm talking about this bolt. Okay, over here. Just go ahead, get it loose. You can see just like that. It's pretty long bolt by the way. Okay, perfect, came out. Now it will be dirty here guys. I recommend to use gloves every time you do that, but grab the sensor, don't twist, just pull it down. It will be a little bit stuck due to the fact that you have one O-ring preventing oil from coming out guys. And when you remove the sensor, it's normal to see some oil leaking out. This is the sensor. Now we need to disconnect the wiring harness. And how you guys do that? Pretty simple. Right here you come, lift that thing up a little bit. Okay, so the tooth can come out. Grab the wires now, okay, and pull it out. And this is the sensor right here. If you want to see how to test it, we have a video on the channel, and I'll try to put a link in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Now putting it together, it's practically in reverse order. We took it apart, and if you need to buy one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. So hopefully the video will be helpful guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.